Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources.
Hello.
Welcome to English pronunciation practice. Today we will practice the sound t with clear words and short phrases.
Great, Emma. I am ready to listen, repeat, and make the k sound better.
Before we start, I will show you the structure of this pronunciation lesson. First, we will practice words. Listen carefully and repeat each word with the ch sound. Second, we will practice phrases. You will hear the sound in short, natural sentences. This sound is common in English, so slow and clear practice will help you a lot.
Nice. I will copy your mouth and repeat with energy.
Excellent, Nexo. Let us begin with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Chair. Chair. Cheese. Cheese. Chicken. Chicken. Chips. Chips. Chocolate. Chocolate. Church. Church. Teacher. Teacher. Beach. Beach. Watch. Watch. Sandwich. Sandwich. Peach. Peach. Cherry. Cherry. Child. Child. Shame. Shame. Chalk. Chalk. Lunch. Lunch. Kitchen. Kitchen. Bench. Bench. Phrases.
Good job completing the words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible. Now, in phrases, your goal is to listen carefully to short sentences and get used to the sounds.
I am ready, Emma. I will listen closely and repeat each phrase.
Chair. Chair. The chair is blue. The chair is blue. Cheese. Cheese. I like cheese. I like cheese. Chicken. Chicken. The chicken is hot. The chicken is hot. Chips. Chips. The chips are salty. The chips are salty. Chocolate. Chocolate. I want chocolate. I want chocolate. Church. church. The church is old. The church is old. Teacher. Teacher. The teacher smiles. The teacher smiles. Beach. Beach. The beach is sunny. The beach is sunny. Watch. Watch. My watch is black. My watch is black. Sandwich. Sandwich. This sandwich is big. This sandwich is big. Peach. Peach. The peach is sweet. The peach is sweet. Cherry. Cherry. The cherry is red. The cherry is red. Child. Child. The child runs. The child runs. Chain. Chain. The chain is silver. The chain is silver. Chalk. Chalk. The chalk is white. The chalk is white. Lunch. Lunch. My lunch is ready. My lunch is ready. Kitchen. Kitchen. The kitchen is clean. The kitchen is clean. Bench. Bench. The bench is green. The bench is green.
Great work. You and Nexo finished the lesson and practiced the ch sound very well.
Yes, I can hear the sound better now. That was fun.
Keep listening and practicing. See you in the next class.